show you how to the theme structure in HubSpot. So as you have your theme here, you're gonna find that we have different folder. Local folders here is where we have all the languages. CSS where you have all your CSS, and then there where you can do some theme override. CSS if you want to, you can add at the bottom. You can start to add your CSS. So you can use the theme override, but you don't use the main.css. So you use the theme override.css and then start to add your CSS there. Or you can just create a child theme. So once you create a child theme, HubSpot is going to generate like a child.css and also a child.js. So child.css file is where you're gonna add your CSS there, and then child.js is where you're gonna add your JavaScript as stated here. As you can see there. So yeah, so and then after that we have images. So we have all the images, the way you put your all images there. We have the JavaScript folder. We have the modules folder. We have the template folder. Template folder, we have layout. So the base is where we have our body structure, where we have the language, and then here where we put our head, anything in the head HTML. There we have our global header, global footer, and some stuff in the footer that you can put, and then we have our body content. Okay, so partials is where we put our global elements there. As you can see, they look like this. And then we have system folder. Folder, we have 404 template, 500 templates, backup, membership, login, all the system file here, search, subscription confirmations. So yeah, we're gonna find it there. And then we have about the templates, whatever template that you want. So we're gonna have we're gonna have all the templates that come with the theme. So you're gonna have the templates there. Here we have the field.json. Here we have the theme.field and then the theme.json. So all the stuff there. So yeah, so the main focus here is if you want to change your CSS, you're gonna get either you use here or you get the child.css is where you put your own CSS there. Yeah, so just to keep the things organized. So right now, HubSpot, when you get your original theme from the marketplace, so you can create a child theme from this one here. So that's mustn't kind of like mess up the original source of the theme. So this way that they are doing it right now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.